Alright, so this is a '01 Toyota Sequoia, and we have a belt that's on its last leg here today. As you can see, that belt is just on the very end of its life. Got the mileage out of it, man, big time. So just trying to follow the routing of this belt. It's kind of hard to see. No, I'm sorry, I said an '01. This is an '03 2003 Toyota Sequoia. So that belt goes down around the crank pulley, and it comes back up and goes over the fan pulley here and goes back down around the AC compressor and back up on this idler. And so you just want to get something and put it on that tensioner pulley there and get some, loosen it up a little bit and get that little feller off. So let's have a look. I'm going to get that thing off of there. Okay, so there's the routing diagram there. I don't know if that helps anybody any, but it takes quite a bit of fiddling. You really can't see it. I ended up taking this off so I could get my hand down there. But whenever you install a belt, you always want to install it the same way, so that you can read the letters out like this. That's usually how I see them when they show up from the factory. But yep, that's the belt routing. '03 Toyota Sequoia. It's got a V8 in it. That's it. I replaced it with a belt from O'Reilly. It's Master Pro belt. So I hope this helps someone. Y'all have a good day.